Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today's lunch is going to be ravioli. Not just any ravioli, but the best ravioli that you can buy. And these raviolis come in this box. This is Pastosa Ravioli, straight from Brooklyn. The best of the best. Doesn't get any better than that. Straight from Brooklyn. Ravioli. Look at that. Look at this box. So this is going to be lunch, and we're going to pair this with this amazing, what kind of sauce is this? Parmigiano Reggiano. I got this sauce yesterday. I made a review video on it, and yesterday I liked it so much I'm going to use this sauce with the ravioli. Pecorino Romano pasta sauce with cheese ravioli straight out of Brooklyn. Let's go make lunch. So this is going to be a sauce and pasta combination for today's lunch. Pastosa cheese ravioli with Mutti Parmigiano Reggiano pasta sauce. So let me show you what the ravioli look like before we boil them. Whoa. Just like that. Just like that. Get one out. Beautiful, look at that. How nice that looks. Big. These are big ravioli. Big ravioli, look at that. Beautiful. We're just going to gently add ravioli one by one. I'm going to use 4, which gives me, there's 12. So if I use 4, it gives me 4 meals. I was wrong, that would give me 3 meals. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. Here's my ravioli, just enjoying themselves in a hot bat, you know. Looking good. About 2 minutes to go. See if I can do this left-handed. Oh, I can. There you go. I just want to show you how big these raviolis are without the sauce. They're huge. And my new favorite sauce. Yeah, that should do it. Looking good. Always simmer the sauce on the lower temperatures. That way you can control it better. You can bring it up slowly. If you need to add stuff to it, you can add stuff to it. And make sure that it blends in with the sauce. Alright, I got the sauce sizzling. I'm going to dump the ravioli back in. There we go. Beautiful. I'm going to shake them around, moving around. See if I can do this left-handed. Kinda. Just kind of toss them around. I just want to coat them with this really nice sauce. Get that going. Okay. Now we're going to go back into the plate. From here into the plate. Back to the plate. Back to the plate. And here comes the sauce. Here comes the sauce. Beautiful. Wow, that looks good. Smells delicious. That smells amazing. Ooh, that looks good. I wasn't sure if four raviolis would be enough, but let me tell you guys, these raviolis are huge. So 4 makes a perfect size lunch. It's really, I mean, it looks delicious. It looks amazing. Can't wait to try it. I'm gonna size into this thing. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that filling. Thick, huge, beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Filled up. All right, time to eat. Beautiful Brooklyn ravioli. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I dropped it back into the plate. Got lucky. Back into the plate. Let's do it. First bite. Man, just delicious. It's plain delicious, bro. With that Mutti sauce. I can't tell what's better, the sauce or the ravioli. Best ravioli I ever had. Oh wow, this is good. This is good. Here's what you do. Go to Butcher's Block, if you have one, in your, wherever you live. Buy these raviolis. Go to the store. Buy the Mutti sauce. Make this combination. You won't regret it. It's going to be an amazing lunch. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm tired. I did my car oil change this morning. I got to enjoy my lunch. See you guys in the next video. Bye.